Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix internet problem in your AI plus smartphone. So let's start friends. First friends, you have to open your settings, click on applications, click on all apps. Here it is, and then you have to click on search bar. Just write here Android, and you will see here it is Android system. Just tap on this application. Friends, in this you can see here it is storage and cache. You have to clear cache, then clear storage. Scroll down, you have to give all the permissions. Then friends, you have to write here reset in the settings like this, and you can see here it is reset phone. Tap on here and you will see here it is reset your network settings. Just so you have to just tap on reset, and then it will fix your internet problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.